Mahalo to Real Hawaii Tours for sponsoring this video.
This area here for KEWALO Basin Harbor is over by Pier A, and the area that you're going to check into is going to be on the far side over there by the building, and we'll show you where that is today. And this is the main check-in booth. And now we have to go because our boat's gonna leave us. Let's go. So from the check-in area, one of the crew will escort you to where the boat is, which is this group that we're following right now. If you have other tours at KEWALO Basin Harbor, this first row is typically all of the commercial boats, and they're clearly marked. So Dive Oahu, EC Diver, and so forth. So for the snorkel cruise, the area that we checked in earlier is going to be that brown building over there. Guests will walk this way to Pier E, and they'll walk down this pier, and we're going to head over to the boat, and we'll show you guys what that looks like in terms of accessibility as well. When we got to the boat, we tossed our shoes in the bin and headed on to board the boat. For accessibility, there's 3 main steps that you have to go down to board the boat. Once everyone has boarded, we sat down and the crew did a quick safety briefing before we headed out to Turtle Canyon. Snorkel gear is provided. Departing from the harbor, you do have the SKYLINE behind you, and heading out to Turtle Canyon is about a 10 to 15 minute ride. In terms of what to wear or bring, it's best to have swimsuit ready underneath your clothing as there isn't much space to change on the boat itself. Make sure to bring sunscreen and a hat. Half of the boat is completely open to the sun and there is no shade. You have views of the WAIKIKI skyline behind you and Diamond Head as well on your left-hand side. As you can see within the channel here, as boats come in and out, this front area can be a bit of a splash zone. Once we get to Turtle Canyon, you can see turtles even on the surface, so if you have any non-snorkelers, they will most likely be able to see turtles. Snorkel gear is included for those who do want to get in the water and snorkel. So for some points of reference, we came out of KEWALO Basin Harbor, which is over there. From KEWALO Basin Harbor to here where Turtle Canyon is, it's about a 10 to 15 minute sail. Some other points of reference, this is the WAIKIKI skyline directly behind me. And then over on the far right hand side is Diamond Head Crater. So typical water time will run about 45 minutes to 1 hour long. Over here, we'll lean over here. This snorkel mat is also provided as well, which is a great option for those traveling with kids or who aren't very comfortable in the water. Snorkeling out at Turtle Canyon is completely open ocean snorkeling, as in the water is going to be about 25 to 30 foot deep. If they're not comfortable in the water, again, keep those snorkel vests on. There are going to be about 3 to 4 crew in the water with them the entire time while they're snorkeling. Once we finish the snorkeling, this specific boat won't be able to go all the way out to where Diamond Head Craters as some snorkel cruises do, because this is only a 2-hour cruise. After 45 minutes to an hour of snorkeling, from here it'll be another 10 to 15 minutes to get back to the harbor and another 5 to 10 minutes to get everybody off of the boat. It is weather dependent. So right now it's a beautiful sunny day, but I'll also include clips of other days that we've been out to Turtle Canyon and it is incredibly windy or choppy or the weather is less forgiving. Most days in Hawaii are pretty sunny and the weather is nice. We've included this clip here to show you that it can be very weather dependent in terms of visibility, surf conditions for Turtle Canyon. One day could be perfectly sunny and clear with very calm surf and great visibility. Another day could be not so clear due to higher surf and less visibility. Fins are included, as well as a snorkel mask, and you also get an inflatable snorkel vest. Open water ocean here, the water is about 25 to 30 foot deep. A crew member has brought over something to show us as well. As a reminder for those who are novice snorkelers, you don't necessarily have to get into snorkel right away. There is that snorkel mat that we showed you earlier in the video. That's a great option for novice snorkelers or for those traveling with kiddos who are not as comfortable in the water. On this one-page planner, you have everything that you need where you can jot down your details for your hotel, rental car, tours and activities, things that you want to do, and a general itinerary.